Right, good morning. We're out on an early morning walk again. Quite busy work-wise today, so I've just come down to the lake from home. It's about a 5-10 minute walk. It is quite cold this morning, so so hopefully we'll see some ice on the lake, etc. The last time I came down, because I'm going to Isthmus Bay, I had to take the long way around because the pathway through the wood was completely underwater. I was in danger of going over the top of my wellies. So yeah, hopefully today the lake looks a lot down on where it was there. You can see the lake there, and there is quite a lot of ice on the lake. And I'd just like to remind everybody, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy what I'm doing, please why not subscribe on it and click the bell so you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. And I greatly appreciate anybody who comments. It is useful to know what people are thinking, whether they're enjoying the videos or not. So anyway, we'll get on and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've got to Isthmus Bay. The last time I came here, which was on a video maybe a month ago now, I probably was stood up here, and this old concrete jetty, if we look down there, this old concrete jetty, you couldn't even see it. It was all underwater. I don't think you could even see the big stones. So the lake's dropped quite a bit, so maybe a bit more than I'd have liked. And if we come here up to the edge, we can see that the edge of the lake is frozen. Just out there where there's a duck, you can see there's clear water, and I would imagine it's far too weak to even walk on. You can see it's been broken there and then refrozen. I mean, just coming to the edge here, went out of shot. Oh, that's relatively, that's not cracking under my weight. We're gonna maybe get a look at the standard shot. We'll get the camera out, work out the composition, and hoping as the sun comes, sun will be coming up in that general direction, that it might like catbells, and we get a nice colour on the catbells. So we're probably going to hang around here quite a bit, and then we'll maybe go to Crow Park, see what images we can get there, and then maybe go into the woods there. These the trees here are nice and clear. I have seen some trees that are just completely covered in frost, and it'd be nice if we could get some of those, but we'll just have to see. So right, we'll get the camera set up and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well the light's come up now. I have taken a number of images. You can see the camera there. It started lower down, but I've made it higher up so you can see the reflections in the lake. The light has come up now, and I've also taken a few hand shots of the frost around. So if I just show you going through the camera. Right, yeah, so let's just flip this round. So there, yeah, there's the back of the camera, and as you can see we've got the concrete pillar there as the leading line. We've got cat bells across there, which is now in light, and the reason I made it higher is there's that bit of unfrozen water there, and I wanted to get the reflections of cat bells in the water. And lower down you couldn't see it, so I'm aware that the tripod is very high. So that's the composition. As I say, I have already captured a number of images. So whichever is best, or the best I might show one of the ones I took when it was almost blue hour, and then do one of the ones once cat bells is lit up with the reflections, and maybe I'll put some of the pictures of the frost up. So yeah, it's been quite a good morning so far. I think we're going to wrap it up there, maybe take a little bit more drone footage of the ice. It's quite calm, so anyway, we'll put up some images that I think are quite good, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've just come out of the wood on our way back to Crow Park. We came through this gate here, and there's some quite severe frost on the top and on the plants around, so I thought I'd stop and take some images. Right, we'll see if we come close. Don't know how close this will focus. But there you can see the frost on the gate there, and on the gate post. I don't know whether, yeah, when it looks as though it's focusing. So yeah, I've taken some handheld shots of that I'll put up. If any of them are any good, I'll put them up on the video after this. And that's what comes of having through a number of days where even during the day it's barely got above freezing point. So yeah, nature is very impressive at times. So right, well, we'll head off to Crow Park there, see what images we can get there, and then it'll probably be time to head home. So we'll see you shortly. Right, we've come to Crow Park. The last time I came, you wouldn't have been able to get down here. And looking out to the island there and the gate, you could barely see the gate. It was just the post just poking above the water, and it's not even in the water now. So with it being so low and the ice, I think I'll set up a composition, work out a composition, get the gate, the island, and cat bells behind, and then we need to think about going home. So don't know whether you can see there, there's a boat just coming from the island, and at times you can hear it as it crunches through the ice. So yeah, we'll get the camera, get a composition, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, we can see the camera there, and that's the composition I've come up with. It's a fairly standard one for here. So yeah, and if we look at the back of the camera there, we can see 100 ISO, f11, and an 80th of a second, because it's getting quite bright. And I think the light's gone quite flat now, so having taken that, I'm going to head home. Yeah, I'll pack up the camera and I'll have a quick chat with you on the way home. So we'll see you shortly. Right, well, if you watched this far, thank you very much. And I'm on my way home now. Sorry it's going to be a relatively short video today. As I did say at the beginning, I've got to get home because I've got work to do. Hopefully next week I can get out for a bit of more of a walk and some pictures. So yeah, it's quite cold this morning as well. I'm struggling a bit with my hands, taking gloves on and off. But yeah, if you watched this far, thank you very much. It's been quite a good morning. As we've got up, all the clouds gone, so the light has got very flat. So yeah. And I've said before, if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And if you click the bell, you'll get notification of when I release videos. The aim is to release or publish one every week, 5 o'clock on a Sunday UK time. So, and the other great helpful thing, if there's anything particular that you've seen in the video that you're curious about, anything, place you'd like me to go, or any questions in general, yeah, please comment. I do answer all comments. Only a small channel and hoping to grow. So as you can see there, the sun's well and truly above the mountains now, and it's quite bright. So we'll sign off here, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.